So guys, we're going to talk about the third section in the CAT 18, mock CAT 18. This is the quant section. I would rate this as a moderate level section. It is definitely not a difficult section. It is easier than the previous mock for sure. There are quite a few sitters that you could have picked up. So let's start off with the first question coming your way. The first question here is a functions based question. So let's start with what has been given to us. This is typically the kind of question you can expect in CAT. CAT asks quite a bit of functions, but they are not going to be complex at all. Even this question is not complicated. So if you notice, this is f of x plus 1 is equal to f of x plus x for every x greater than or equal to 1. Usually when you get the starting point of f of 1 equal to 7, the logic for such kind of a question is they are giving you f of 1. You are supposed to build a chain and go up to what you want. So observe what happens. So if you want the next number, which is f of 2, so then you put x equal to 1. If you put x equal to 1, this gives you f of 2 plus 1 is equal to f of 1 plus 1, which is 7 plus 1, 8. So your f of 2 should be equal to 7. Then if you put x equal to 2, you will get f of 3. F of 3 plus 1 will be equal to f of 2. F of 2 is 7 plus 2, right? Because x is 2. So this is 9, which means f of 3 should be 9 minus 1. So f of 3 should be 9 minus 1, which is 8. Then if you put x equal to 3, so you need to get a pattern here. So f of 4 plus 1 will be equal to 8 plus 3, which is 11. So which means f of 4 will be 10. Similarly, let's put one more to get the idea. So this gives you f of 5 plus 1 is equal to f of 4. F of 4 is 10 plus x, x is 4, which is 14. So f of 5 will be equal to 13. So look at the pattern what you're getting. F of 1 is equal to 7. F of 1 equal to 7. Then you are getting f of 2 also equal to 7. F of 3 is equal to 8, f of 4 is equal to 10, f of 5 is equal to 13. So here the difference is 0, the difference here is 1, the difference here is 2, the difference here is 3. So you can see the pattern. The pattern is that the difference of numbers are in AP. Just to make sure, let's take one more. X equal to 5, this gives f of 6 plus 1 is equal to f of 5, f of 5 is 13 plus 5, which is 18, 18 minus 1. So f of 6 will be equal to 18 minus 1, which is 17. So f of 6 will be 17, and you can see the difference is 4. So the moment you get the pattern here, you know the concept that if there is a series whose difference is in an AP, a series whose difference is in an AP, the general term of it, the Tn, will be given in the form of an square plus bn plus c. This is the funda, this is the concept. So if you know that this is the T1, this is the T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, and the difference between the terms forming an AP. So start with substitution. So here you will start with T0 or T1, sorry, T1 should be equal to a plus b plus c, which value is 7. Then T2 should be equal to n is 2, so this becomes 4a plus 2b plus c, and the value is 7. So if you subtract them, you will get the value of 3a plus b equal to 0. Then you start looking at T3. T3 should be equal to, when n is 3, this becomes 9a plus 3b plus c. So you can subtract these two values, and this value here is equal to 8. So when you subtract these two values, you will get 5a plus b equal to 1. So this is one equation, this is the other equation. You can get your a and b. So this is not complicated, but it is lengthy. Normally in CAT, the questions will be, it will not be this lengthy. You will get the series, and the series would normally be an easy series. Here the question is a moderate level question or slightly above moderate level question, simply because series is not the problem here. The problem is after getting the series, you're supposed to continue and find the nth term, and the series is not an easy series. That's the problem in this question. So let's start with the two values. So if you subtract these two, you will get 2a equal to 1, or you'll get a equal to 1 by 2. If a is 1 by 2, then your b should be equal to 1 minus 5a, which is 1 minus 5 by 2, which is minus 3 by 2. And therefore your c should be how much? Now please remember, a plus b plus c should be equal to 7. So c should be equal to 7 minus a minus b. So c should be equal to 7 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So this is 7 plus 1, which is 8. So the series, I believe this is the series, your Tn should be an square, that is 1 by 2 n square, plus bn. B is minus 3 by 2, so this is minus 3 by 2 n, plus c is 8. Now just to verify whether you have done your calculation correct or not, put n equal to 4 and c. This becomes T4. So T4 will become 16 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 4 plus 8. So this is 2 2s are 2 8s are. So 8 minus 6 plus 8. So this is 16 minus 6, which is 10, and you can see this is 10. If you want, you can try it out for the next term also. So once you get the general term, you can always find out what is T122, because you want the 122 term. So this is 222 square by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 222 plus 8. So this will have to be simplified. Let me just clear a little bit of space over here so that I can continue with my writing. Yes, so what do we have here? Right, so we have 222 into 222 by 2. So that should be, this is equal to 222 into 111 minus 3 into 111 plus 8. So this is 111, if you take out common, 222 minus 3, which is 219 plus 8. So 111 into 219. So that will be 111 into 219 should be, if 24309 plus 8. If you do plus 8, this should be 24317, and that should be your final answer. So yeah, I would rate this above moderate, not because it is complicated, simply because it is lengthy. I mean, everybody should know the concept of the terms which are created using a difference of arithmetic progression. And if the differences are in AAP, you should know that the general term should be in a quadratic expression form. So these are known concepts, these are well known concepts. If you don't know, you should familiarize yourself with it. Okay. So 24317, I believe that was the answer that we just got, 24317.